FMC domains enable multi-tenancy by separating devices, policies, objects, events, and user access across customers, branches, or departments. Navigate to System and Domains. Click Add Domain for Create a domain. Set domain name for identity, description and parent domain. In parent domain, set global. Select available devices to assign to the domain. If no FTDs are added in FMC, like in my lab, you can add them later. If FTDs are present, select the FTD and click Save. Now shown that new domain save in FMC. In FMC tasks we have saw there is no pending task. Thanks for watching.